Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the MoonSpry Roach Repellent. But before I get into that, this is exactly why I made my research guide, so you guys don't have to wait for me to tell you if something is legit or not. So link below in the description, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it opened up here on Alibaba.com, which is the MoonSpry Roach Repellent. So as you can see, these are tablets in the home. So for example, you just leave this out there and cockroaches will get attracted to them, and if they actually eat or intake them, they will actually die from it. And as you can see, and if you're wondering if this product is legit or not, there isn't a lot of information about this roach repellent since it is not very famous yet. And if you look down here, there are no reviews. As you can see, there are no reviews for it yet. If you really want to buy a roach repellent, I would advise you to buy other roach repellents that are more trusted and more safe, since your dog or your pets could eat this and they could very well may be toxic to them. So I would advise you to buy other products instead of this one. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.